Our third awardee is Dr. Romulo D. Rosena from Ramon Magsaysay, Cubao High School. As one of our judges, Dr. Carolina Porio, puts it, our next awardee's efforts to develop and inspire his teachers to be the best in the practice not only benefit the school, but also impact other schools, as well as some of these teachers who have moved to become principals themselves. Among our awardees' most poignant accomplishments is turning ordinary teachers to brilliant ones. He has organized the search for outstanding teachers in all the schools he served as principal, namely Batasan Hills National High School, Don A. Roses Science Tech High School, Quezon City Science High School, Ernesto Rondon High School, Juliet High School, and now Ramon Magsaysay Cubao High School. A few years ago, his math and science teachers were able to go to the Singapore National Institute of Education for 3-week leadership training with the support of the Temasek Foundation. He has also tied up with the Philippine Women's University for his faculty's postgraduate studies. He has likewise promoted educational leadership and youth development through the institution of an alternative learning system, open high school, out-of-school adult evening class, home study course, and various other school-based intervention